Okay, right now I'm kind of bored right now, so I'm gonna share my other paintball gun. Before I have another video that shows my Carver 1, which is now not mine. I gave it to my dad, and I got a new gun. The new gun I got is the Azodin Kaos 2011. In here, it came with this, the barrel cover, the gun that's around 2.1 pounds, pretty light, in the barrel. Then extra parts that come with it right here. Looks like this. Then oil came with it too, oil bottle. But I'm just gonna show you what it looks like when shooting. Right here I'm gonna use my halo that I bought off my friend. I have other videos sharing about it, but I actually bought it off him for $20 since he got a rotor. Okay, here goes the CO2 tank. And now the rest of my annihilation bullets, I don't have much left, but I'm just going to use it up. But out in the distance there is the orange cone out there I'll be shooting with. I'll zoom in after I shoot all the paintballs. I'll probably be shooting around 50 paintballs that are left in here. And here I go shooting it. My mask on, my Titman tight mask. Okay, it's auto cocker, so you just pull this back, put off safety, turn on the hopper. So all you have to do is press a button and shoot. And now I'm out of bullets. Thanks for watching. Rate, subscribe. Bye.